something, but in that lake it was like water levels were down 4 or 5 meters. It's a regulated lake with a dam, and they let all the water out. Fishing was sucky. Paddling wasn't too good either because it's a pretty small one. So this time let's go to a bigger place. This is also a small place, but it's a bigger place than a small place. It's a small, bigger place. Yes. It's okay weather, probably going to get some rain in the evening, maybe tomorrow. Norwegian, I wouldn't say wilderness, but woods at least. Gotta go a little further for wilderness. Drove a couple hours now, a couple more hours, and it'll probably be a bit more long. This is a very popular place, so it's a lot of people renting canoes and stuff and just pedaling around. It's autumn, September, so there's less people now than, you know, July, August, June. Probably go across here with dry feet. So many peddlers, pedaling, you know. Hello, we're pedaling. You want to rent a boat? Expensive too. It's like $45, $50 for a day, and then you get 20% off for the next day. But it's just sick. So I bring me own. I don't need your canoe. I got me own. Thing about this canvas boats, they're pretty light, so if you don't have enough, you know, baggage or whatever, you're gonna be blown around if there's a lot of wind. It's a bit funky actually sometimes, so if you have a very light boat and there's a lot of wind, weight it down with some stones or something. Helps you a lot. Car sound. I live in Oslo, which is the capital of Norway, so usually there's some sign of life, you know, sound of life around you. It's really nice to get out in a place like this where the only thing you hear is the wind in the treetops. The occasional bird. Pretty nice. Simple is good, right? This looks like a good place for the tent. Seems like I packed this together both wet and full of shit last time, and it's been like that in the bag for a week. Yes. I just have to dry it out. Well, it dries itself out, to be honest. You do that and I'll have a beer. See if I can put you somewhere. Does that work maybe? Bloody windy. I'm not sure how windy. It's not like it's a storm or anything. It's like, I don't know, 6-7 meters per second or something. So it's enough for the chair to fall over. It's a very light chair though. I do like this one with a headrest. You can just put your sweater in this one and you're good to go. I do think we'll have to do some fishing soon. I have brought enough food if I don't get a fish, but it's not the same. The fish, something with just catching your own food, you know, catching or foraging or whatever you prefer. It's like the extension of making it yourself, you know. Yeah. Are you dry? Are you dry? This dries really fast. You see, all this shit blows off too, so that's why I don't hassle with it when I'm packing up. If I know there's a long time till next time I'm gonna use it, I'll put it out in the bathroom, clean it up. But if it's a week, cares. Right. This is actually no. This is a half island. Yeah. Probably not gonna be a fire today. In Norway we have like 15th of April to 15th of September is a general fire ban. And today I think it's 8th of September, but yeah, it's too much wind. Too dry and too much wind. Maybe if it starts raining or the wind dies down, maybe we'll have just a little one. Just a little one. It's just 6 days off. 6 days is not a long time, you know. Well, oh, look, somebody even have brought us firewood. Firewood. There's something about fire. If I can, I will make a fire. But I won't do it if it like risks flaming up the whole place. It's yeah, I can do without too. Yeah, looks like it's drying nicely. It's like been what, 5 minutes. And it's dry. I didn't even. It's like that's how long it took. 2 swallows. Yes, you'll have a break now. I will finish my beer and I will put up the tent. Yes. Well, changed my mind. I'm just gonna screw the tent. I'm gonna put up my hammock instead. And I'm gonna do something with the tarp. I'll find out something. But now, let's do some fishing instead. And the sun is coming out. Doing some casts. Got nothing. Not even a nibble. And suddenly the wind died too.